Hello! This is the food we are bringing on the Tahoe Rim Trail. All three legs, as we've called them. We've separated the trip into three separate legs, and these are the three separate legs of food. Just to share with you the types of food we're bringing on the trail, come on down here for a second and I will show you. So for breakfasts, we've got several options. We have oatmeal with toppings, nuts and fruits, and a little bit of brown sugar. We have what we're calling the coconut porridge meal, which is cream of wheat, dried mango, coconut, and some coconut milk in it. We've got our cold cereal, which is heritage flakes and some granola and powdered milk. We found these stinger bars, which we're really enjoying. Pretty decent calorie count for the stinger bars. And we're going to have a breakfast of stinger bar each and split a pro meal bar. Got a couple packets of this quick, it's a ginger, I believe, yeah, it's a ginger mint latte mixed into hot water. Got our electrolyte tablets that's going to go into our water. We're sharing one that's caffeinated and one that's not caffeinated. We'll have one full tablet each a day. Then we've got our very exotic, elaborate gourd that we've created. It's got a lot of stuff in it: cashews, sesame almonds, dried cherries, macadamia nuts, craisins, raisins, coconuts, little bits of coconut, chocolate covered raisins, and pumpkin seeds in it. So looking forward to that. Doesn't look like a lot, but it's a lot of calories in this bag. So we'll be separating that out every day. For a little bit of zip in our step, we've got some chocolate covered espresso beans to give us some caffeine, and we've got some dried ginger. And then for snacks, so this is all snacks here. We've got a few bars available to eat. These are kind of almost backup bars. We're not necessarily going to eat these, but if we need something extra. Katie loves her sesame snaps. They're actually incredibly packed with calories for these tiny little packages. We've got a mixture of plantain chips, which is a mixture of sweet and kind of more savory plantain chips. It's really delicious. My mom sent me these little Landjaeger, they're basically pepperoni sticks, but a little higher end than what you get at a convenience store. So I'm gonna be snapping into these on the trail. Katie's got some turkey jerky. Gotta have some Ricola. Katie is obsessed with this. Every day, on every trail we ever hike, she needs a Ricola in her mouth. So Ricola and a few for me. For lunch, we have got hummus, dehydrated hummus that we homemade, and we've got some pine nuts that go on top, paprika in there, and then we have instructions here on how much water and the olive oil we're going to add to the servings. So this is 2 servings with Fritos to dip. We've got bean dip, same situation, homemade dehydrated bean dip, olive oil being added and water with some Fritos. We've got tortillas with peanut butter or almond butter. I'm the peanut butter girl, Katie's the almond butter girl. Jelly, and our favorite secret ingredient, salt and vinegar chips. We figure we're gonna mash them into the tortillas as sandwiches. We might as well do it now, save some space. For dinner, we've got dehydrated spaghetti that we'll be adding a little bit of olive oil to and Parmesan cheese. Here's that olive oil and Parmesan cheese we're taking on the road, on the trail. We've got quinoa meals that have dried cherries in them, pine nuts, and we'll be adding some olive oil to those as well. These are all homemade dehydrated meals, thanks to Backcountry Foodie and thanks to Hungry Hiker. We've gotten a few recipes, so shout out to them. We've got orzo and mushroom and sun-dried tomato that we'll be adding olive oil and Parmesan cheese to. So all of this adds up to about roughly, we're calculating with all of this, it's about 2,500 calories a day each. And those are our options. The rest of the legs all have similar meals. Nothing out of the ordinary here, with the exception of one night, we are gonna have some mashed potatoes and chicken. We figure it felt like a good comfort meal. So the mashed potatoes and chicken felt like a good comfort meal with some dehydrated vegetables in there. So we'll be doing that on a rather difficult cold night. And that is it. This is our totality of food for the entire Tahoe Rim Trail. I'm excited to eat it, which is rare because usually when I buy those dehydrated camping meals, I'm not really looking forward to them, and I'd say majority of the time I'm not crazy about them. So with our homemade meals, homemade dehydration and preparation, I actually am really looking forward to eating these meals on the trail. I'm really enjoying them. So I'm super excited to pack these calories down and enjoy my time on the trail. That's it. See you later.